Hello Knights Army, Namaskar Shabaike. Welcome to each and every one of you to the second practice match of the first over. And Ajinkya Rahane goes leg side and he'll get 6 runs. That's the Ajinkya Rahane we know.
Oh, smashed it. Smashed it all the way for a maximum. Finsanity has arrived at Eden Gardens.
Oh, that was an interesting and
Sweeps it. Sweeps it for 6. Ajinkya Rahane is taking on the spinner for the 4th ball. Oh, ramps it. It's his go-to shot and it's gone for 6. Too easy for Finn Allen. Shift now. Too easy on the legs.
Finn Allen does Finn Allen things. First ball of a new over. Finn Allen goes for a 6.
As we said, all the way for 6.
Oh, Finn Allen has to go.
For Umran Malik. Here he comes. Pace on the ball. And again, it's deposited over the square leg boundary. As we were saying, that's all class. It's all timing. There he goes. Beautiful. All the way for 6 again. He stands his ground.
This one's in the gap. Looks like he'll beat the fielder. Perfectly timed in between them. And that's going to be 4 runs for
Eden. Umran Malik. And Cameron Green has absolutely smoked that. That's deep into the stands. We need a new ball here. We absolutely need a new ball here. Ekdom Thakbe or Cameron Green. Choi Marben.
Here we go. Full toss. And the catch is taken.
And the first ball has been a 6. I think this might be a blow to Prashant Solanki's morot. और यहाँ पे
Oh my God, Ramandeep Singh is here on a roll. Single. Will it be another dot or will he find the boundary? He will find the boundary. Ramandeep Singh on strike. Ambitious shot, but misses it completely. Golden Knights total reach 249 runs.
First ball. Oh, right. Oh, he's up in the air. Up in the air. And Rinku Singh almost got there.
Tim Seifert. This one's in the gap. This one's in the air and he somehow picks it up. Will that probably not count as a catch though, because as per the new rules, plans work this time. He gets Seifert out early. The next man in, as you can see there, he grabbed it. As per the new laws, that would be interesting to see.
फिर से देखा जा रहा है कि
To offer here. Oh, cracking shot by Manish Pandey. And misfield.
Oh, belts it down, but just a single. Up in the air. And the catch is taken. Coming back in like
Amazing. Tripathi cuts it for Seifert. Only going to be a single.
Oh, and that's a cracking shot down the ground. Goes for a 4. तो आई फील पर्पल नाइट्स के लिए ये रिड्यूस टारगेट चेस करना उतना ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं होगा.
Here comes Karthik Tyagi. Oh, he smashed that, but straight into the. Oh, beautifully caressed. He's found the gap over.
Oh, that's a good shot.
Here comes Muzarbani. He smashed that over that mid-on fielder. Then the pressure will completely shift. Very crucial. They have the runs in the bank to. Oh, another Yorker, but he's carved it for 4 of the last 3 balls. He's just carved it for 4 and.
Oh, good ball. Right in the block hole.
Last 2 balls here. Backs away, smashes it, but he'll only get a single. So he's now gone to the last ball.
Oh, that's a no ball. That's a no ball.
Oh, he smashed it, but straight to the fielder. They'll try for the second. Oh dear. And he's gone. Anchorage has struck. The Golden Knights have won a thriller here by just 1 run.
What a match Knights get. To all the fans out here, we hope you enjoyed our coverage.